Welcome! In front of me is an HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I'll be showing you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and in here we're gonna scroll down to System and Update, and next you're gonna find Reset. From here, select Reset Tablet, and this will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data. Now we can select Reset Tablet right here, and if you have a screen lock, you do need to confirm it. Once you do so, it gives you the option to back up your data. Now I do want to kind of stop you before you start backing it up using this method, as this will back it up to HONOR Cloud, which means that this data is only available to you with other HONOR devices. Otherwise it's locked away from your access and you won't be able to do anything with it. Disregard people being loud. So anyway, we're gonna select Reset Tablet right here. Sorry for the noise. Really, common decency isn't a thing here. So anyway, once you press on Reset Tablet, it begins factory resetting it, and this process will take about a minute, 2 minutes or so to finish up. Once it's completed, we will be presented with the Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.